Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best plastic closet storage drawer on the market. The Vtopmart 4-pack large stackable storage drawers. Whether you're looking to organize your bathroom, kitchen pantry, closet, or any space that needs decluttering, these drawers are designed to help you achieve just that with ease and style. Right out of the box, the Vtopmart storage drawers impress with their clear acrylic construction. Made from sturdy PET plastic, these drawers not only offer durability but also provide a crystal clear view of your stored items. This transparency is a game changer for quickly locating what you need without having to open every drawer. Each drawer measures 12 inches deep, 7.5 inches wide, and 7 inches high, giving you ample space for everything from makeup and toiletries to snacks and medicines. Despite their generous size, these units remain compact enough to fit comfortably in tight spaces like under sinks or in bathroom cabinets. The design thoughtfully balances capacity with space-saving functionality. One of the standout features is the stackable design. The top of each drawer has a groove that ensures a secure fit when stacking multiple units. This allows you to customize your storage setup vertically, saving precious floor or shelf space. When stacked, these drawers can hold up to 15 pounds, making them sturdy enough for a variety of household items. Assembly is a breeze and requires no tools. The drawers come with connecting holders that slide into grooves on the bottom plates, allowing you to stack and secure the drawers quickly and effortlessly. Non-slip silicone pads are included and can be attached to the bottom of the drawers to prevent unwanted sliding, ensuring the whole unit stays put when you pull out the drawers. Speaking of pulling out, these drawers feature built-in sliding rails. This means you can smoothly pull the drawers all the way out for easy access to your belongings. The handles are ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, which adds to the convenience of daily use. The sliding mechanism works best with lighter items, but even with heavier contents, it operates smoothly enough for everyday use. The sleek and modern clear design fits well in any room aesthetic, from minimalist kitchens to chic bathrooms. Because you can see the contents at a glance, it helps reduce clutter and keeps everything visually organized. Which is perfect for busy households or anyone who likes to keep their space neat and tidy. These drawers are multi-purpose and versatile. Whether you want to organize baby bottles, medicine, makeup, snacks, or office supplies, this set offers a flexible solution. The plastic construction makes them easy to clean, although they are not dishwasher safe, so hand cleaning is recommended. At 9.9 pounds total for the set of 4, these drawers are lightweight enough to move around but substantial enough to feel durable. They're designed as tabletop units, so they don't require any mounting, making them perfect for renters or anyone who wants a non-permanent storage solution. To sum up, the Vtopmart 4-pack large stackable storage drawers combine thoughtful design, practical features, and durable materials. Their ease of assembly, smooth sliding drawers, stackable nature, and clear view make them an excellent choice. For anyone looking to bring order to their closets, bathrooms, kitchens, or any space that needs a smart storage upgrade. If you want to see how these storage drawers can transform your space, check the link in the description below to learn more and grab a set for yourself. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.